Put the lid.
Can you pet it?
No, you never bite your fingers. Just put the lid. They want some food. They don't want to play here. Look at Jayla. He wants some more. His own. Do some. Look. He tried to grab this out my hand. Look.
This nigga.
Greedy. Don't give it to him. Let the little one get some. Cause he ain't getting none. Let the little one get some. Let Ray do it. Feed it to him. Move back, Jayla. Move back so I can see. He had like he don't want it. That girl greedy. I don't know if it's a girl or boy.
Especially the brown and black one. That nigga literally